Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now one of the brands I want to check out today is Mob Armor. It is brand new to the CJ lineup and it's a pretty exciting product that's going to be universal to any off-road application. Now Mob Armor was founded with the one intention of being able to hold your devices in place while you're off-road or on the highway. Now as you can see here, I've got a wide array of their products, and here at CJ's we carry just about everything that they make. Now they've got phone mounts, tablet mounts, magnetic mounts, and just about anything you can think of to mount all of your devices inside your Jeep, truck, or off-road vehicle. One of the things that they really stand for is to have a quick release design that only uses the strongest rare earth magnets to hold your phone and devices in place. They've even got as big as a tablet mount, which can hold up to a brand new iPad, which those things are about 12 inches vertically across and can weigh a lot. So to be able to hold one of those in a Jeep or a truck is pretty impressive. If you guys go out on the trail a lot, you know that setting your phone in a nice convenient place is a very hard thing to do. And here with Mob Armor, there's just about any mount you can think of possible. And we're gonna go through and check out some of these in some later videos. But if you guys are looking for the perfect phone or tablet mount for your Jeep, off-road vehicle, truck, side-by-side, anything you're looking for, be sure to go on CJ's and check out Mob Armor.